How to make apple cider jelly with fresh pressed apple cider. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. This is a small batch recipe. You're going to want to get out your 1/4 pint jars. Because it's a short processing time, you're going to want to go ahead and pre-sanitize your jars and lids. Start with 2½ cups of fresh pressed apple cider. 1 4-inch cinnamon stick broke into 4 1-inch pieces. Combine cider and cinnamon pieces in a large stainless steel or enamel saucepan. Cover and bring to a boil over high heat. Reduce the heat and boil gently for 5 minutes. Strain your cider through several layers of cheesecloth, reserving your cinnamon pieces to add to each of your jars. Rinse your saucepan and return to the stove. Measure 2 cups of the spiced cider and return to the saucepan. Add sugar. Three and a half cups of white granulated sugar. Bring to a full boil over high heat, stirring constantly. Stir in 1 pouch of liquid pectin. Boil hard for 1 full minute at a full hard boil, stirring constantly and remove from heat. Ladle into your pre-sanitized jars, wipe the rims, apply your lids and rings. Process for 5 minutes in a boiling water bath canner. After 24 hours, check for a seal. For everything sweet, check out my Jams and Jellies playlist. Check out the newest cookbook, Rebel Canners Recipe Files, available on Amazon. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.